Hello and welcome back. Today I wanted to share my file folder Southwest Succulent journal with you. I did a couple videos making some ephemera and some different things for this journal. I'll have those linked in the description if you missed them and are interested in watching them. All right, so let's take a look. So this is a file folder. I did my watercoloring and some gesso, and then I did some embossing on this wood. The dogs. Kibble, stop. Sorry. I did some embossing on this, what is it, hummingbird? And then I did, what is it called? Distress paint, just on the edges of the bird. Layered it up with some fabric. And then I have this fabric tag. Now this, I've been so excited about this. Debbie, and I'll link her channel and her information below, she posted in the Facebook group how to print, her video on how to print on fabric. Oh my gosh. I was up printing and I was so excited. So this is a page from the kit that is actually fabric. Isn't that the coolest thing? And then I added some pieces of fabric. And then on the other side is a piece of a file folder that I just kind of did my testing and has gesso and whatever. And then I added a little dangle and then this cactus, this gold color, not my first choice for adding dangles, but when I ordered the cactus, that was the only color it came in. So there you go. I think it looks really fun dangling off the side. Okay, and I did my usual or the go-to eyelet closure because I didn't want to wrap because then I was going to cover this image. So that's kind of why I did the tie on the side. This is from some scrapbook paper from Seven Gypsies, and I did more embossing. I don't know if you can tell in camera, but there's two different colors of embossing on here. I have glue on my fingernail, sorry. I made a little tuck. Again, this is the printed fabric, and then these are pieces from the kit that I just simply kind of inked around, added some lace and fabric to, and then I have this I think I used about one sheet, but I got these a few years ago, these stickers from Target Dollar Spot. And then I just layered up some fabric and stuff behind it. And then some lace at the bottom. This is from the kit. And that's another page from the kit. And those are pages. Lots of writing space right there. And then this is from this Arizona book that I have. And this is from the kit. And I layered up the tags. Added some craft file folder to make it nice and sturdy. And then I showed these, I think, those tags. And then here's another tag that I made. Oh, this is the Freebie Friday project that I made that I tucked right in there. And then this I've made in the past and I had it in my stash, and I don't think that's an Arizona bird, that's the only thing, but I liked the colors and it went with it. And then I tucked in some more pieces here. The word enjoy is also from the kit. So yeah, it has a double pocket. There's like a little flip out. And this is a, oh, words are hard. This is an envelope. And then I made a little window with some vellum that I printed, and then I just decorated the side. There's some stenciling. More pages from the kit. More stenciling. This is another pocket that I made, and I tucked in some goodies to this one. And then in here, there's a couple tickets. More pages. This is a piece of vellum that I printed on. I just love how the vellum looks with the printed image. This is the center. I left it kind of simple just with the printout, and I just tied my strings. There's the other vellum, other half of the vellum. More from the Arizona Highway magazine. I have this postcard and I put the words Grand Canyon State. A little tuck. Here's another tuck with more cards. And more stenciling. Here's another fabric tag that I made with the fabric, and then I did some collaging. This is, what is it? This stuff. Pattern paper, because I like the crinkly sound of it. And then I did some funky stitching around. And this one's nice and flat, so it can kind of stick, whoops, right in here. And then I made a vellum pocket, or envelope, sorry, that is used as a pocket. This is some ephemera. This one is hummingbird in Arizona. And then more of those stickers from the Target dollar spot. Another Seven Gypsies tag and more tags. This is also from the kit. And then I put the quote down here. And then in the back, I have my favorite book page tuck spot. And then up here, there's a big envelope. And in here, I made 2 more fabric tags. So this side has the fabric, and I did some stitching. And then I added a pendant and then a picture from, or a little 1-inch circle from Arizona Highways. And then here too, did the same kind of thing. Some of the scrap paper, and I just love how those came out. They're so fun. So fun. I love printing on the fabric. It's my new, I think my new favorite thing. That and the vellum. Oh my gosh, the vellum is beautiful too. And then there's the back, and it just closes up like that. So that is my Southwest Succulent Journal. I'm gonna keep this one to, you know, add some fun Arizona stuff if it's family travels, if we ever do that again, or different things. But yeah, I'm super excited. If you're interested in the kit, I will have that linked below, along with the video from her channel to show you PaperKraftD, to show you how to print on fabric if you're interested. All right, thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.